Hello viewers, in this video I'm gonna explain you on a very easy way how you can create your business profile in the cool website called goparty.xyz. So the first thing you're gonna do is type goparty.xyz in the Google. Now that's the first result. Here comes as the website you were looking for. Now, if you're registering from a mobile device or any tab, then this video is not for you. There is a separate link which you can follow to create a profile or your business profile as a vendor in the website from your mobile, following that video. So this video is only for the people who will be registering or making a profile from desktop site. So the first thing we're gonna do here is we're gonna create an account, then we'll edit our profile. So let's get started. First, create an account. Now it shows a sign up screen just like the other sign up screens in Facebook, Twitter or something. So if you are having any Google account or any Facebook ID, you can directly sign up with this IDs. Otherwise, let's say if we're registering with our email, let's type our email first. Here my email is coolbusiness123@gmail.com. Let's give a password that you can remember. Now sign up. Once you are done with signing up, you can see this name here. It says Hello Cool Business. So let's log out. Now let's just check if the account was created correctly or not. Let's try to log in with the email and password I gave so that we can be sure that the account was created successfully. Now you can see we're logged in into the new account we have created. The next step is to create my profile. In this profile section, we're going to update all our business information so the clients can find us easily. Now let's go to my profile section. Here we are writing my business name as my cool business. Let's assume it's a photography business. Now in this section, username, you're gonna enter your own name. Let's assume my name is Miss Amisha Patel. Now this contact information should be provided with your country code. In this address area, we're gonna give our full address. Don't forget to enter your zip code also. Now let's assume our profile is Now let's assume our business can provide photography and media creator, and we don't go for any other category. If you can provide services more than one category, you can choose over here. Let's assume you can provide the sound experts or DJ. So we're clicking here. Here it says logo or a profile picture. So don't use your own personal picture. Rather, you should use your business logo. So here I have created a sample folder to upload the photos. Now business description, it says you can give the description within 1000 characters. So be careful. This limit should not be crossed. So for my business details, I have already saved business details here. So this is the description I copied from the company called Dreamweaver. Now we're gonna use these details. You need to be careful that the description doesn't exceed the limit. You can check online and count the characters. Now it says pricing details. In the pricing details, you should include the packages you offer. And remember, when you include the packages, try to give it as list-wise. The next thing we're gonna do, it says upload gallery images. So we select the best images from here. You need to showcase your creativity. So try to choose the best 6 images you have ever clicked. Try to upload varieties of images so the clients can get to know about more of your creativity. Now here you provide the YouTube link of any of your previous work. Don't provide the channel link. Try to provide a YouTube video link here. So now, if you are having any business proof, you should upload that file. Or if you don't have any business proof, then you can just tick this portion. But if you're having a business proof, then you should tick here that I have a business proof and upload the business file. So this is my business certificate form, and remember, always upload the business certification as a document like PDF, doc type, etc. You cannot upload a business proof as an image. If you have your business proof as an image, then try to convert it as a PDF, then upload it. Now it will ask for your password again to update your profile. So I'm giving the password and update your profile. I need to wait a little bit to get it updated, and you can check on here. See, these images are being uploaded. Once a gray box turns into white, it means the photo has been uploaded. So wait for a bit until the photos and the documents are updated correctly. Once all your content are submitted, you will get a notice. So you can see the notice here. Now you can view your profile from this button. So view my profile. Now this button will directly take you to your profile. You can see this logo has been uploaded here. Your category has been uploaded here. And this is the name of your business. This is the description portion. This is the list of your pricing details. And here shows a beautiful gallery of your previous works. And there goes the videos you uploaded. So from here, any client can book you through us. Once you are logged out from your profile, you can check how this profile will look to a person who is not a site member of Koparty.xyz. So for example, your client doesn't have any ID or anything, can also see your profile and see how beautiful it looks. Now let's check how the hire works. So once somebody tries to hire you, they click on the Hire Us button and it will take to another page where your business details will be already there. So you can see this is your email, this is your phone number, address, everything is given, and the person who wants to hire you can directly contact you. Or the person has an option to hire you through us. In that case, the person has to give his or her details here, and once a person give all the details including the budget and the event date, you will get a notification in your email, and you'll get phone call once somebody is hiring you, so that you can contact the client directly. And also in the hire page, a beautiful gallery of the selected images are showing also. Thank you very much.